Do you feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? What if AI could help you work smarter, not harder? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to boost your productivity, save time, and get more done. What to expect in this video: how ChatGPT can help with daily tasks, time-saving strategies for work and studies, real-world examples and hacks, how ChatGPT can boost your productivity. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a productivity powerhouse. Here's how it can help: automate repetitive tasks, emails, reports, summaries, organize your workload, to-do lists, scheduling, save time on research and learning, enhance creativity and problem-solving. Example: a busy professional spends 30+ minutes daily writing emails. ChatGPT can reduce this to 5 minutes with automated templates. Productivity hacks using ChatGPT. 1. Writing emails and messages problem. Writing emails takes too long. Solution: use ChatGPT for email drafts, quick replies, and formal responses. Example prompts. 1. Write a polite email to request a meeting with my manager next week. 2. Summarize this long email in 3 bullet points. Time saved: 15+ minutes per day. 2. Organizing to-do lists and schedules problem. Keeping track of tasks is overwhelming. Solution: ask ChatGPT to create task lists, priority rankings, and schedules. Example prompt. 1. Create a daily schedule for a software developer working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., including coding, meetings, and break times. Time saved: 10 to 20 minutes daily. 3. Research and summarization problem. Finding key information in long documents takes time. Solution: ChatGPT can summarize articles, reports, and research papers instantly. Example prompt. 1. Summarize this 10-page report in 5 bullet points. 2. Give me the key takeaways from this blog post about productivity. Time saved: 30+ minutes per research task. 4. Content creation and brainstorming problem. Writer's block slows down creative work. Solution: use ChatGPT for ideas, outlines, and first drafts. Example prompt. 1. Give me 5 blog post ideas about AI and productivity. 2. Write an engaging YouTube video script about time management. Time saved: 1+ hour per writing task. Advanced ChatGPT productivity strategies. 1. Using ChatGPT for decision-making. Example prompt. 1. Compare the pros and cons of using Notion versus Evernote for productivity. 2. Help me decide between 2 job offers based on salary, growth, and work-life balance. Benefit: ChatGPT organizes your thoughts, making decision-making faster and smarter. 2. Automating workflows with ChatGPT. 1. Use Zapier plus ChatGPT to automate tasks, for example, auto-reply emails, summarizing Slack messages. 2. Example: auto-generate daily reports from meeting transcripts. Time saved: hours per week. 3. Learning and skill development problem. Learning new skills takes time. Solution: ChatGPT can create learning plans, quizzes, and explain concepts. Example prompt. 1. Create a 30-day Python learning roadmap for beginners. 2. Explain blockchain technology in simple terms. Time saved: accelerate learning by 50%. Final thoughts and call to action. Recap: ChatGPT saves time on emails, research, writing, and learning. It helps you work smarter, not harder with automation and AI insights. Start using prompt templates to maximize efficiency. Next video: ChatGPT for business, how companies use AI for growth. Like and subscribe for more AI-powered productivity hacks. Let me know in the comments, how do you use ChatGPT to save time?